On our screen right now of the Prime Minister arriving at the BJP headquarters here in the national capital. Remember, there is an all-important CEC meeting lined up this evening. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Piyush joining us live from the BJP headquarters. Piyush, we are getting in these live pictures of the Prime Minister arriving at the BJP headquarters.
Well, yes, PM Modi has now arrived here at the BJP headquarters he will now go on the first floor of BJP headquarters where the meeting of a CEC, Central Election Committee, will begin because he is the one who is also leading this entire meeting. He is the chairman of CEC and now he has reached here. Any minute from now, the meeting of a Central Election Committee will take place. Remember, it's going to be the first CEC where the top leaders of BJP, including Shivraj Singh Chauhan, JP Nadda, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, they all have reached here, and many of the top leaders of BJP, including BL Santosh, they have now reached here. And now when PM Modi reaches, any minute from now, the meeting of Central Election Committee will begin, and this CEC meet is going to decide about the names of candidates, and then the list will be out either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. What we are also given to understand is that the discussion took place today at the core committee meet at the residence of BJP's national president JP Nadda, where Union Home Minister Amit Shah was also present. Since morning, we have seen meetings of top leaders of Bengal BJP taking place, Assam BJP taking place, where top leaders from BJP from Bengal as well as Assam were present. And in that particular meeting, the core committee meeting, the probable names of candidates were discussed, and now the final decision will be taken by the Central Election Committee meet Richa here at the BJP headquarters. We'll have to wait and watch as to how the meeting goes on. What we're also told from our sources is that the meeting is likely to, go for at least 2 to 3 hours, because it's important to, pinpoint on each and every name, discuss each and every name, and after that itself, the final list of the candidates will be out. What we're also told is that there could be announcement of these candidates either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and that for the first 2 phases of Assam and Bengal elections. We'll have to wait and watch as to how the meeting goes on. But latest what we are picking is that PM Modi has now reached here. He is the one who is also, leading this CEC meet. The meeting is taking place under the chairmanship of PM Modi. BJP's national president JP Nadda is already here. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has already reached. BL Santosh is here. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is here. Remember, they are the members of BJP's Central Election Committee. And now when PM Modi has reached, any minute from now, the meeting of CEC will take place. Also, very interesting here to point out is the discussion which will take place on Nandigram, because Nandigram is going to be very important seat for BJP, as Mamata Banerjee has already said that she will be contesting from Nandigram, and it will be very interesting to see as to who will be the candidate from the side of BJP fighting against Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee has also pointed out one fact, that she will be contesting from another seat also. So we'll have to wait and watch who all will be the candidates will be discussed by the CEC, and then final decision will be taken by by this Central Election Committee, and it is right now being chaired by PM Modi. We'll have to see as to how the meeting goes on. Top leaders have already reached here of BJP. PM Modi has reached here. Any minute from now, the CEC meet will begin. Richa.
In fact, Piyush, throughout the day today, we have seen as to how it has been an action-packed day for the BJP. One after the other, there were meetings that were held, and there were over 5 hours of meeting that was held between the JP Nadda and Home Minister Amit Shah. Will take us through all that has happened today. And remember, we are talking about 4 states and 1 union territory of Puducherry, and their decision of the first list of candidates that will be announced likely by today or tomorrow.
Well, absolutely. What we're given to understand is that there could be discussion on the probable candidates for Assam and Bengal, and the final decision will be taken in this Central Election Committee meet. Also important to point out about this more than 5 hours long meeting which took place there at the residence of BJP's National President JP Nadda, where Union Home Minister was also present. In that meet, top leaders from Bengal BJP and Assam BJP were present. There the names of probable candidates was also discussed. So what discussed in that particular core meeting of BJP will also be discussed, but they are in a CEC, and then the final decision will be taken by Central Election Committee. So we'll have to see who all will be the candidates. Remember, the focus today would be basically on Assam and BJP, because today we have seen meetings taking place between the top leaders of Bengal BJP and Assam BJP. So most likely focus would be on Assam and Bengal, and then the list of the candidates for first two phases of these candidates will be out in coming 2 days. Also, tomorrow is going to be another CEC meet here at BJP headquarters, and tomorrow's meet will be focusing on the other places, 2 states and 1 union territory, union territory Puducherry, and 2 states Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So tomorrow it's going to be another CEC where a discussion on these 3 places will take place. But today is going to be basically on the focus on Assam and Bengal. Throughout the day, we have seen core committee meeting of Bengal BJP leaders with JP Nadda and Assam BJP leaders with JP Nadda, where Union Home Minister was also present, has taken place at JP Nadda's residence. So what was discussed there in that particular core committee meeting will also be put forth in that CEC, and then the final decision will be taken by Central Election Committee, which is right now is being headed by PM Modi.